Hello, and welcome to NISAW 2021. In this last episode of the week, we are going to show you guys how to use an app called Ive Got One. It is a free app that you can download from any app store and will allow you to report invasive plants or animals if you might come across walking through the neighborhood or in a public park. When you download the app, you're going to see the head of a Burmese python. When you click that or punch that, you will see this web page here. And you will notice that there are boxes, and we'll say I'm looking at Japanese climbing fern, and so I'm going to come up here and hit plants. Now we're in the plant section. I know that climbing fern is a vine down at the bottom, so I will click that. And here's a list of all the vines. So I'm going to slide down. Here's Japanese honeysuckle, and there's Japanese climbing fern. So I hit Japanese climbing fern. When I do that, you will see it's got the name, it's got the exact location, latitude and longitude, and you'll be able to take a photograph. The Latin lawn right now is actually inside of a building, so if I tap here to take a picture of it, we would say we're looking at the plant. And we're not, we're actually looking at the floor. We'll take a photograph of that. It asks you, do you want to retake or do you want to use it? We will use the photo. And there up in the corner, you'll see the picture of the photo. Now it's asking you a couple other questions, such as area. How many minutes did you spend at the site? Less than 5. We were out there, say 1 acre, so I'm done there. It was low density. And now you're ready to save. At the bottom, you'll see save. That's important. In this case, I'm not going to, because if I do save it, it will send it to the website for edmaps.org. This is a national database kept at the University of Georgia, managed by a group called Bugwood. And so we don't want to send it to them right now. If you have a question as whether or not the plant you're looking at really is climbing fern, we would encourage you to go ahead and send it. What will happen is once it's sent, Bugwood would be made aware of that, and they will send it to a verifier in your area. A lot of times the photograph itself is enough to verify it, but the latitude and longitude is there, and so if the verifier wants to go to the site, they can, and then they will verify it, and it will go on the map as a pinpoint. But just the fact that you save it here doesn't automatically do that. I do need to let you guys know, though, that when you're out walking through the neighborhood and you see an invasive plant or animal in a neighbor's yard, you are not allowed to submit that from private property without their permission. We encourage you to ask them that because this website is used by resource managers to monitor the invasive activities within their county or region. So we hope that all of you will get a chance, if you see this, will get a chance to upload these things. If you ever have any questions about this site or how to manage this, please contact your local county extension office.